Love your lawn as much as we do? Well, here's a few simple steps to make it even happier.
But this lawn needs some love, so the first thing we're gonna do is dethatch it. Tally-ho!
After you finish thatching your entire lawn, you'll want to mow or rake all of that thatch up. After that, aerate your lawn to help get air to the roots and to soften the soil. It's kind of like a day spa for your lawn. While size and location affect the cost, you can expect to pay between $200 and $300 to maintain a typical lawn. Then spread seeds that are suitable for where you live and the light conditions. Water lightly at first so the seed doesn't wash away.
Then, once the seed's set, you bring it big time. You go high power and water regularly until the seed grows and your lawn's happy.
To find out how much this and other projects cost, or to connect with a contractor, check out the cost guide at homeadvisor.com.